gadget will come in handy for cyclists and motorcyclists. According to the designer's idea, you just need to attach it to the brake disc and your vehicle will be reliably protected from theft. The device is able to scan fingerprints, but you can also use a special key. The lock weighs 0.5 pounds and is powered by two CR2032 batteries. You can use the gadget all year round, as it's protected from moisture and works at temperatures from -4 to positive 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a bright orange cable that will not only add a couple of extra pounds to the protection, but will also remind you to unlock the device. The retail price is $75. Here's an interesting device for dog owners. This leash allows you to walk your pet without using your hands. You can buy it for $13, and it makes walking your dog more comfortable, safer, and more fun. According to the creators, the new design provides 360-degree control of the dog, while being compatible with conventional leashes. Just secure it to a special belt. The size is universal. The belt will easily fit waist sizes ranging from 20 to 44 inches. There's also a compartment for storing small items. The only wallet protecting your privacy and cash, say the designers of this product. It comes with a code lock and also RFID blocking technology, protecting your contactless cards from electronic data theft. According to the creators, the code lock has 1,000 different combinations. There's enough space inside for 50 bills or 12 cards. Also, the wallet can be used for key storage. It's quite lightweight at only 4.5 ounces and can be easily opened with one hand. In case the wallet is stolen, a special app will help you find it. The cost is $83. This washer will help you quickly clean mugs, cups, and glasses. To start working, all you have to do is put the glass upside down and push on it. The manufacturer is confident that the gadget will be well received, even in bars and restaurants. The model is suitable for cups and glasses with a diameter of 4.3 inches. When assembled, it'll take up a minimum of space. It's easy to work even with one hand. The price starts at $13. This light features a built-in motion sensor and a battery life of up to 150 days. In addition, it's easy to mount on ceilings and walls, and can also act as a flashlight or reading lamp thanks to the soft and warm light. You can adjust the mode with a single switch. The manufacturer also offers a model with a tilted body and promises that both versions will last at least 10 years. According to the manufacturer, this is a friendly flying camera that allows you to take spectacular pictures. The key feature of the drone is its autonomy. You just need to adjust the camera, put it in the palm of your hand, and the drone will take off, take a photo, and then land on the palm of your hand without requiring the operator's control. Due to its modest size, operating time is very limited. The manufacturer claims that you can get 5 to 8 launches, while experienced users say it's about 3 or 4. But the drone battery is removable, and since it's so compact, you can take several spare batteries with you. The average price of one drone is $260. Meet X-Craft, an efficient and handy tool that won't take up much space. It weighs only 2 ounces and can be used for driving screws, drilling, or polishing. It comes with a set of 33 bits and has a device to magnetize and demagnetize them. The speed of the drill reaches 300 RPM. Also, the tool will please you with its built-in LED lighting and a 350 mAh battery, which will take about 70 minutes to fully charge. The cost of the set starts at $40. A multi-measurement laser measure for both the professional and home body. That's how the manufacturer presents this device. Its key feature is the backlit display, which shows the readings. Accuracy is guaranteed thanks to the photoelectric decoding technology and a combination of a classic measuring tape and laser beam. The measuring tape is 16 feet long and the laser beam reaches 131 feet. The measure also helps in calculations. For example, it can calculate the area of a room. You can switch between different units of measurement. There's enough memory for 35 sets of measurements. A nice bonus is that you can send readings to your smartphone. The price starts at $39. Here's an interesting gadget for people who like to look at fire. This is a humidifier with a flame effect. Depending on the model, the capacity ranges from 6 to 9 ounces. The design is compact and will fit on your desk or bedside table. The manufacturer highlights the quiet operation, the light won't disturb your sleep, and the ability to add scented oils. Also, in some models, the color of the flame is adjustable, so you can add a magic touch to the room. The price is about $19. You can use this neck fan to stay cool on a hot summer day. The price starts at $13, and for this money, the manufacturer promises a lot of interesting features. For example, the vents are designed so that the airflow won't damage your makeup, and the air intake is protected from dust and sweat. A fully charged battery lasts for 16 hours. The model weighs 11 ounces, works in 3 airflow modes, and comes in several colors. The gadget can be used both indoors and outdoors. How compact and powerful can a power bank be? These babies look no bigger than a credit card, but are capable of delivering a solid capacity. The weight of the most powerful model is 0.4 pounds, about as much as the iPhone XS, and the capacity is 10,000 mAh. The 0.4-inch thick body is made of aluminium. If necessary, the power bank will even fit in your pants or jacket pocket. The model supports quick charge and power delivery technologies, and protection against short circuit, overload, and overheating is provided by several systems. The cost of this version is $37, but smaller models with a capacity of 2,500 mAh will cost you about $23. This timer will come in handy in the kitchen, during workouts or games, in studies, and a variety of other scenarios. For $36, you get a magnetic base to attach the timer, 6 countdown patterns. That's 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, and 30 minutes, plus the ability to customize your own, sound effects, and a countdown mode. It's user-friendly, with enough battery power for about 10 hours of continuous work. The weight of the gadget is 2 ounces. The Swiss Army knife of cables, say the creators of this adapter. It's so compact that it fits on a keychain, but it makes charging gadgets faster and easier. Each unit comes with USB, USB-C, and dual, that's Apple plus micro USB plugs. Essentially, you're buying one cable instead of 6. It'll charge your MacBook Pro in just over an hour and a half, and it'll also speed up data transfer significantly. Plus, you can do all sorts of crazy tricks, like charging one phone from another. And all of this is available for the price of 3 cups of coffee. That is for $14. Imagine you are having a nice day in a cafe and want to go to the restroom. But there's one problem. You have a heavy backpack or laptop with you. You can't leave your belongings unattended, so you have to bring them with you. The creators of this gadget have a solution to the problem. It'll protect things in your absence. All you need to do is enter a code and put the gadget next to your belongings. If any thieves try to steal them, this gadget will set off an alarm, and its built-in camera will record the attempted theft. The gadget is waterproof and shockproof and connects to smartphones. The built-in battery has a capacity of 600 mAh. You can get all of this for $79. The creators of this system decided to bring something new to the door lock market. When you look at the variety of functions of this device, it seems that it's smarter than some thieves. The model is able to recognize fingerprints in 0.3 seconds, detect open door and close it automatically, and operate in temperatures from 158 to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. The lock uses an AES-128 chip, which provides bank-grade encryption. Data is stored locally rather than in the cloud. The creators believe that this provides better privacy. There are 4 ways to open the door: by placing your finger, in the app via Bluetooth, by entering a code, or with the key. The price of the lock is $170. Would you trust it with the security of your home? This system to control the level of carbon dioxide is not only functional, but also pretty. The design and the name Canary were chosen for a reason. Canaries used to be taken into mines because they're sensitive to the smallest gas impurities in the air. Using the gadget is simple. If the CO2 level exceeds a dangerous level, the bird will tilt down, and as soon as the room is aired out, it will get up again. The design is patented and very minimalistic. No wires, no notifications, and no audible signals. The gadget is powered by a built-in battery with enough charge for 3 months of work. The price is $116. If your boss is always catching you on unscheduled smoke breaks, this lighter watch will help you time them accurately. It's only $9, but it doesn't come with gas. The model is made in a sporty style and is available in 2 colors. It has a quartz mechanism, and 3 additional dials are provided. To activate the lighter, press the button on the left side. As you can see, you can use the lighter without removing the watch from your hand. The seller is sure that this is a nice gift for men. Would you like to get one of these? Keep your knives sharp with this sharpener. It lets you sharpen and hone your knives wherever you want. The product includes 2 diamond rods for sharpening and 2 ceramic rods for honing. 3 preset sharpening angles, 15, 20, and 25 degrees, allow you to work with a wide variety of knives. Non-slip rubber stands are provided for stability, and there are textured inserts in the upper part. A lanyard hole makes it easier to store the sharpener. The cost is $18. You can paint cleaner, faster, and more professionally by using a rack like this. The innovative eye-shaped design and the easy flip-over feature help you avoid drips and smudges, while allowing you to paint difficult areas with high quality. More than 86,000 masters have already tried the product. The advantages of the design include ease of installation, free rotation, air access for drying, and space saving, and the ability to work well even in small spaces. A set of 4 racks costs $30. Want to see truly a work of art with engineering? It's on your screens. The creators of this multi-tool are sure that they've developed an innovative product. Despite its modest size, the gadget is ready to replace more than 16 tools, including a can opener, a wire stripper, a ruler, a multi-fit driver, a file, and even a bike spoke key. Each unit is made from a single piece of stainless steel. Weighing 0.77 ounces, the multi-tool is easy to carry in a pocket or as a keychain on a backpack. Geeky is the perfect gift for everyone who wants to be prepared at a moment's notice for anything that life throws at them. The creators conclude. The price is $23. A bottle that can analyze what kind of water you drink and give you recommendations on how to maintain your water balance. Sounds intriguing? Then take a closer look at this $50 product. According to the manufacturer, this gadget will coach you to win the battle of consistently staying well. It will analyze the amount and quality of water you drink and help you get used to drinking your daily and weekly recommended amount. You can track the statistics through the app. The bottle has a capacity of 18 ounces and weighs 0.8 pounds, and thanks to its versatile design and a lid with a loop, you can take it anywhere, whether you're going to work or traveling. It's 2022 and you're still scrubbing pots and pans with a sponge. You can forget about it with the world's first handheld steam dishwasher. It generates steam at 221 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can get your dishes clean without the need for detergent. It takes 10 seconds per plate, and you can also clean pots, pans, trays, and more. In addition, the system comes in handy for house cleaning. The steam pressure is adjustable and comes with an extra nozzle. The 5-foot power cable and a 5-foot hose combine for a full 10 feet of cleaning range. The cost of one machine is $300. With this tenderizer, you can make the meat more tender and cook it much faster. According to the manufacturer, on average, it'll take 40% less time to cook. Also, the device will come in handy if you need to marinate meat faster. The weight of the device is 0.3 pounds. The needles are made of stainless steel, and the body is made of ABS plastic. The diameter of the working area is about 2 inches, and a special attachment helps to work safely. The process will be much less noisy than with regular tenderizers. The creators of this mat claim that it's the world's best alarm clock. And here's the trick. To turn off the alarm, you need to get out of bed and step on the mat with both feet, staying on it for 3 to 30 seconds. While the owners of conventional alarm clocks sleep for 5 more minutes, the owners of this gadget are already having breakfast. Built-in speakers deliver up to 120 decibels, so it's also much louder than classic alarm clocks. It's comfortable to stand on thanks to the special foam. The designers say that it's as soft as a cloud. The mat costs $82, but one user has already found a cheaper solution in the comments. Just put your phone as far away from the bed as possible. We didn't want to create just another carabiner jam-packed with useless functions. Here's the philosophy followed by the creators of this keychain. Curiously enough, they ended up with a carabiner with a fidget spinner and a bottle opener. So, it's up to you to decide how useful this gadget actually is. The device was created by trial and error, resulting in the best bottle opener mechanism on the market. In particular, you can remove the cap with one finger. The spinner also wasn't left without attention. The iconic mechanism is convenient to spin with one hand, getting 3 to 5 minutes of hypnotizing rotation. And the carabiner is built around a system with a notched lip, which eliminates accidental detachment. The multifunctional keychain costs $35.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.